We had people ask about how to create kind of something that goes above the footer. So see how this starter site has a footer here, but then there's this kind of more helpful section where it has a Google Maps links and a contact form. But this is on the bottom of every page, and so it's kind of separate from the footer. And so I can show you how to do that. So going to the Beaver Builder section, there's a lot of neat things that Beaver Themer has added. And so we're going to add a new layout, and this one's going to be a part. So I know there's a footer here, but this is going to be a part. Because on parts we can choose it to go above and below of the headers and the footers. And so I'm going to call this, that's not how you spell. Alright, so the footer add-on. So I'm going to add that part, and then that'll take us to a spot where I can choose where it goes. So I'm going to choose right after or before the footer. So we're going to choose before the footer, and you also have to choose where it goes on the location of where it's going to show up. So we want that to show up on the entire site. So now that we have that, we can start launching the Beaver Builder and start to add what we want in this section. So I'm going to kind of model the what the Astra site had, and have that 3-row setup with a photo in the middle here. Hopefully they have that. Alright, I'm just going to throw anything in there for right now. Might not look the greatest, but the point remains. Heading, your business. And then last but not least, let's see, we can add a ultimate add-ons. We can add social cloud, social share. Let's not just add Facebook, let's add Twitter on there. Cool. Add those, save that. So see this section down here, it's not necessarily going to be in this content area. A content area is going to reflect what your actual site is. But see how this resides right above the footer? So whenever you're done with that, publish it. And let's view that. So let's actually go to this, go towards the bottom, and that's going to be this section right here. Hopefully that helps.